In this video, I'm going to show you how to use SciSpace in ChatGPT. So the first thing you want to do, you want to create an account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you will get access to the free trial, to the free version of SciSpace, and you can try it out completely for free. So make sure you check it out, link down below. Now, once you're in here, inside SciSpace, you want to go ahead here on the left-hand side, and then you want to open up this tab by just hovering over it, and then over here you'll see at the bottom it says use on ChatGPT. Now this is the fastest way to do it. Simply click on use on ChatGPT, and this will open up your ChatGPT directly inside this specific GPT. So as you can see over here, of course, you'll have to sign in to your ChatGPT account in case you haven't signed in yet. For me, it did this automatically. And then here, as you can see, it's going to say what this can do. So it says do hours worth of research in minutes, instantly access over 287 million papers, analyze papers at lightning speed, and effortlessly draft content with accurate citations. Now here you can ask it pretty much anything. So for example, find me some articles about sport and let's say sport and social media usage. There we go. You can just press enter, and it's gonna just start thinking over here, and as you can see, it wants to talk with SciSpace.com. If that is something you trust, of course, you want to confirm that, and it's gonna start talking to connector, and then after that, you're gonna get your answers directly in here. As you can see, it's already writing, and it's gonna give you all the possible info you could ever need to make your, of course, your research paper or to do literature review or whatever you're trying to achieve. So here you can just use that inside ChatGPT. It's literally that easy. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.